Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all enjoyed your weekend. So today I want to teach you what to do with your leftover white rice. Please, if you have leftover white rice in your fridge, don't throw it away. Let's learn a new recipe. So let's get into it. So you want to start by adding in oil in a pan and breaking your eggs. I'm going to be using 2 eggs, so I'm breaking in 2 eggs. So I'm going to be frying until it's done. Then I'm going to bring it out and set it aside. Then I'm going to be adding in oil in a pan to fry my veggies. You can use any veggies of your choice. So I'm going to start by frying my carrot and onions. Then after frying for about 2 minutes, I'm going to add in my bell pepper. You can use any bell pepper color of your choice so as to make your rice more colorful. Then I'm going to be adding in my suya and my sausage. Please buy your suya a night before, or else you want to have it for dinner. Then I'm going to be frying together for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add in my rice, my white rice, my leftover white rice, sorry. Then I'm going to stir together a little. Then I'm going to be adding in my spices and seasoning. So I'm going to start by adding my curry, thyme, soy sauce. Please don't add too much soy sauce. 1 tablespoon is okay. Then the oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon is okay. This chili sauce is optional if you don't want your food to be too spicy. So I'm going to be stirring together to combine. Please don't add in seasoning cubes or salt. The oyster and the soy sauce already carries its own seasoning and salt. After stirring together, we're going to be adding in our eggs. This is the last thing we're going to be adding. We're going to be stirring together thoroughly for it to combine. And our rice is very much ready. Then I'm going to be adding in my parsley flakes. And I'm going to be trying it. Trust me, it tastes better than it looks. Let me know if this is helpful to you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.